Hello everybody, how are you today? I am so happy that you guys could come back and join me. Let me tell you a quick story though before I forget. So today one of my students came to me and was like, Miss, they had to do a project and they needed 3 popsicle sticks to create a triangle. 3 popsicle sticks and 1 triangle. And one of my students goes to me, Miss, my triangle won't close. And I was just like, I'm going to let you figure that one out. That's all you. You got to do it. Okay? And, it was funny because he's like the smartest kid in the class. So he just had a brain fart. So we just all kind of laughed. And he was like, oh, duh. You know what I mean? And then he went back to do his project. But it was hilarious. All right. Sorry. Thought you'd appreciate that little story. So now what I'm going to get into right now is the concept of fluency and how to teach students that might not be at grade level yet with math, at least. So what I do, and the way that my class is set up, is that we have 3 basic agendas. The first agenda is really the activity piece, and the activity piece is always a fluency piece. So what I do is when they first come in, and they like it too, because they like to see themselves grow and get better at something. Like I have students that really struggle, even though they're sophomores and they've had algebra forever, struggle with solving one-step equations. So what I do is I have them do 2 minutes of just one-step equations the best they can, and I don't grade it. I actually have their friends grade it. So like they switch papers, and at first I had them grade it, but then they were like not being honest with themselves, so that's why I had their friends grade it. And they'll switch papers, and what will happen is they have 2 minutes to complete if it's 20 problems, and that way they can see themselves get better next time. So once that 2 minutes is up, I tell them to switch papers, and then I give them the answers, and then I go over a couple of problems on the board, and they have like a little journal inside their folder that they keep all of their scores in. So if they got like a 20% the first time, they have that scored. If they got a 30% the next time, they have that scored. That way they always see themselves progressing. And I always tell them, guys, it's not about how fast you are, it's about how efficient you are. I'd rather you only do 5 problems and get 3 right than try to do all 20 and get 20 wrong. So it's not about how quick you can do something. So I'm only giving you this amount of time because this is the amount of time that, I have to spend on this. I can't go back to 6th grade and go over one-step equations again. So that's what I do. I think that everybody should do it. So pick a topic, something foundational, even if it's multiplication. Do a 2-minute fluency every day at the beginning of class. And hopefully you're going to start to see that like the students will be able to use that in the classroom as time goes on. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you on the next video. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested, down below is a link to my website. I do teacher consultations. So if you're interested in a consultation, check out the link below. See you guys later. Bye.